everybody, it's Austin here. Hope everybody's doing okay. I'm gonna pot up some plants for you and do an unboxing. I've already got my soil and media mixed, which is consisting of charcoal, peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark. Alright, this is just crushed up charcoal and some potting mix. I'm gonna just kind of eyeball this. Today we're gonna be planting up some Philodendrons, some Anthurium. No, not Anthuriums. We're gonna plant up a Philodendron bipennifolium and an Alocasia poly, and I have a plant in here that we're gonna unbox. But first, I'm just gonna get this soil mix ready. So let's do this. I got most of my charcoal in here. I'll get some of that in here. Alright, so it's just basically charcoal right now. Add some orchid bark in here. I'll just go all out with it. Let's go put the whole thing in there. Okay, and then we'll get some perlite. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try and change this a little bit. Put that in there. Put that in there. And put another one in there. Put some more orchid bark in here. And let's get some peat moss. Some more peat moss. Let's see what this looks like. It's looking pretty airy. I'm going to be repotting a Alocasia poly here. The soil it's in seems like it's a little too dense. It's going to retain too much moisture. I don't want it to rot, so I'm going to replant this. Got this from a lady in Charlotte. Her name was Darlene. She gave me a really good deal on this Alocasia Amazonica, or poly, if that's what you want to call it. And she also sold me this Philodendron bipennifolium. And it doesn't really need to be repotted, but I'm gonna repot it anyway. So let's start with the Alocasia poly. Hope you guys can see me. Just put about a third of the media in the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna take this, loosen it up a little bit. Some nice roots in there. Yeah, that's way too dense. Can you see this? the dirt. It's good enough. I don't want to damage the roots. I don't want to damage the roots too much. Go. Alocasia poly, potted up. Let's do this one. Philodendron botanifolium. It's got some pretty cool looking leaves on it for a philodendron. I'm just going to reuse this pot, but I'm just going to change out the soil media. It's got some nice roots on it. Okay, we're going to fill this up a third of the way full. Our media here. Start burying these roots. Pot it up with its new berry mix. Now's the fun part. This came today from Florida, from David. Let's see if I can find some. I was going to see if I can find a knife. So, this came from David in Florida. It's a pretty good deal. I got an El Choco Philodendron red form for $165. Which they normally sell for a lot more. So, let's see what's in here. Looks like a pillow came in the mail. It's got a bunch of insulation, which is good. Trying to throw that away. I could probably reuse this. Looks like I got more than one plant in here. Thank you, David. These El Choco leaves are spent, but that's alright. what this is. This is not the El Choco. Hope we put a name tag on it. This is it says M. Peru. I don't know what this is. Can you see it? Looks pretty good. It's healthy. Let's see. Let's see what else is in here. The El Choco. I think that's a new leaf coming out, but it looks a little bit damaged. That's alright. Hopefully I can get this growing pretty good. Let's see what this looks like. Choco. We're gonna pot this up real quick. Get a big pot. Poor thing. Seen better days. That's potted up. And we'll pot this other one. Oh, man.
Thanks for the free plant, man. Really appreciate it, bro. This looks like it's in an airy mix too. Let's put it in the same mix. Some nice roots on it. There you have it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon.